Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Verapamil is associated with all except verapamil is associated with constipation, bradycardia, and increased PR interval. Verapamil is not associated with hyperglycemia, so it is safer in diabetic patients. Anti-anginal effect of propranolol is attributable to which of the following? Because they block the exercise-induced tachycardia, thus causes anti-anginal effect. Which of the following drugs have been used in the treatment of angina by inhalation and have very rapid onset and brief duration of action? Among all these, amyl nitrate has very short or rapid onset of action and they can be given by inhalational route. Which of the following is an active metabolite of another drug and is available as a separate drug? Isosorbide mononitrate. It is an active metabolite of isosorbide dinitrate. It is active metabolite of isosorbide dinitrate and it can be used as a separate drug.
thank you and thank you for watching.